Buonasera everybody, it's me Tree, your food explorer. I'm now at the Casa Artusi. I'm gonna have a cooking lesson with Senora Maria. It's a nice apron. I hope that it can help me make this pasta. So now we have about 200 grams of flour. This home cooking, you don't have exact measurements. Make a well.
Sì.
Yes.
Grande.
2 eggs. Put it here. Oh, yeah, I kind of make a mess there. So use the tips of my fingers and just slowly incorporate the flour into the eggs. Now I'm gonna continue to knead that dough until it's smooth and soft. That's it.
Bravo.
So we have finished making the dough and we have let the dough rest for about 15 minutes. You know, it's kind of like more bouncy. I think it's like baby skin. So now, just roll the dough. I'm gonna make the first cut of the pasta. It's gonna be a garganelli.
Garganelli.
Just like this one. Cut little nice square as well. Capelletti. And the filling is made with fresh ricotta cheese.
Ricotta.
And as well as parmesan. I'm a little bit nervous, you know. It's not like the first time that I've made pasta I try at home, but like, it's different, you know, making pasta from the motherland of pasta. And then being mentored by an Italian mama. Use the side of your hand and then just cut it into little individual ravioli.
Ravioli.
These are not the same size. It's handmade, it's quite rustic. So roll it, yeah, at both sides.
Tagliatelle.
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 Yeah.
Tagliatelle.
Tagliatelle. Oh, see. So it doesn't have to be beautiful or polished because it's homemade. Grazie.